It really feels that I'm on my way home from now on. It's a little bit sad. Bye. Hello, welcome back to the channel. So I'm a little bit stressed today because stupid me, I got up. I decided to sleep in a little bit too much, and now the time is almost 10:30, and I really need to reach a place in Bulgaria where I like to stay tonight. And I have thought back and forth whether I should go through Serbia. I have decided to skip Serbia. I have a hunch that something's going to happen. I don't know. It's not the people, it's not the country, it's just something, and I used to go with my gut feeling. Well, I gotta get going because it's getting late. Okay. Goodbye, Hotel Leonardo. So we just gotta have to fill up get some fuel. So I found a small place, hotel restaurant outside of Sofia, the capital. So it's not in the capital, it's quite a bit far away from the capital, but a little bit before, and it's supposed to be a small, like a restaurant hotel, almost the same as I had in Croatia by that river. It seems like a nice place, and they also can speak English, and they have a safe parking space outside. So that is the plan today. I have to cross one border into Bulgaria. It's 304 kilometers to go, and it's going to take me 5 hours and 43 minutes according to the GPS, so it's quite a long ride. Just got to get out of this city. Okay, so I really am a idiot because it felt like I have forgot something. I got my stupid satellite phone still in the closet of the room. My Garmin InReach, and I really need it. It's expensive. I got a payment plan for it and everything, so I really want to have it with me. So here we go again. Okay, so now we're out for real from the city. So I'm sorry again for this somewhat chaotic morning, but I tend to be a little bit stressed when I'm things up for myself, and I was way too late today. I stayed up late at night to do some planning and plan all the routes all the way home. So it took until almost 2 o'clock this morning, because I really needed to get a grip on how far it is to get back to Gdansk in a realistic way, and it looked like I could have made a quick turn into Greece today and up through Bulgaria, but that meant I should have gone to Greece for an hour, crossing 2 borders, just to put the Greece flag on my profile and say I've been there. So it felt, in the end, it felt kind of stupid. I think you agree. I wouldn't have seen anything anyway, so, and it would have set me back one day. So at least now I got a little bit more time to get home. really feels that I'm on my way home from now on. It has got a certain feeling when you turn around and turn your steering wheel to your very home destination. It kind of like, it's a little bit sad. Is that an olive tree? Could be. Some crops. It's a lot of farmland, and I can almost tell that this is the way it's going to be all the way through big parts of Bulgaria and Romania, and especially Hungary and Poland. Open spaces, lots of wind, straight lines, straight roads. As long as I don't put in winding roads, and then it's can be just mud tracks, from what I heard, especially in Romania. I heard, because that is supposed to be quite messy. Oh, it is a lot cooler today. It's just 20 degrees Celsius, and it's supposed to be around 17 in the destination I'm going for today, so I might have to put on my rain jacket for wind protection. Feels a bit chilly, to be honest. Maybe I should have gone to Greece. Nah, let's roll with it. Perfectly fine sort of Asian overtake. This is a much more interesting road. Kriega. So it's starting to be time to say goodbye to North Macedonia, because it's not far from the border right now. We're busy leaving this country and enter a new one. Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia. It's the 9th country. EU citizens. Bulgaria is a European Union country and I am a European Union citizen, so it should be fairly easy. Really friendly border officers in Macedonia. Now it's the border to Bulgaria. This should go quick as well. As I said, it was fast. But and it went all well. They were a little harsh. The Bulgarian border police. There was something about a vignette toll. Just need to read that. Oh, so it's just cars and trucks and buses that pay toll. If I can understand that sign correctly. So it is official then. We are in Bulgaria, the 9th country.